Hello everyone, Dolphin Oracle here tonight. In my last video, I showed you how to boot MX in System D mode. Now I am running in System D mode. You can see by checking out the quick system info that runs it's kind of a wrapper for INXI that shows yes, and it is System D. So why would you want to run System D? Well, one of the reasons you might want to use System D is in case you want to run a piece of software that's only supplied as a snap package, or if you want a snap package for whatever reason. Snaps, of course, being the universal format for Linux applications that's backed by Ubuntu and Canonical, with a centralized store. Kind of got that app store kind of feel to it. I'm going to show you how to set that up here on MX. Now, there's only a few steps. The first step is booting in System D mode, because snaps require System D. Don't ask me how to do it under any other init system, because you're just doomed to heartache and failure. Okay, so if you decide you want snaps, now there's a couple ways you can do this. I'm going to use the graphical method because a lot of folks say, why do you use terminal commands all the time? Well, terminal commands happen to be faster if you know what you're doing, but that's fine. We're going to go into MX Package Installer. You can also use Synaptic. You can use Muon if you're on KDE or Discover. I don't care. Your usual app-based package manager. And this is in the stable repos. It's actually, in our case, it's the Debian repository. And the package you want is snapd, this guy right here. And when you hit install, it's going to pull up a couple of packages. Snapd's one. I think it's going to pull in AppArmor. Yes. It's going to pull in those two things. So I'm going to say yes, and it's going to install them. Now, I did cheat a little bit. I already installed some of the core systems, but the first time you run snapd, it's going to pull, and the first time you install a package, it's going to pull in like a core image, and that's the basic system that the snaps are compiled against. They might be a Ubuntu 18, a Ubuntu 16 even. I guess they could be a 20. I don't know. I don't really understand that part, but the snap will bring in whatever core piece that it needs. Okay, so how do you get snap apps? Well, you could use the command line and use the snap command, but snaps are kind of cool in this regard, and something similar happens with Flatpak, but I've talked about Flatpaks in the past. We're going to go to snapcraft.com, or actually .io, excuse me. And this is like the online app store. So if you want to search for an application, it's probably here. And you see it takes a second to load because there's a lot of applications in the Snap store. But you can get all sorts of different things. We've got Spotify, you've got apps from Google. I think there's VS Codes in here if you're into that kind of thing. But I'm going to show you something that's kind of cool, and that is they made their own store, a snap. So they have a graphical snap. What they actually have is a customized version of GNOME. I believe it's GNOME Software Center, and it's this guy right here, Snap Store, and it only shows you snaps. And this seems to me to be very handy. Now, it gives you the command, and this is the reason why I'm doing this is because we don't have anything pre-installed on MX that does Snap Store. But it seems to me that having the Snap Store application kind of perfect for this purpose. So you do have to run this command, but they give it to you. That's what I wanted to show you. So you hit this little copy button. It copies that. You crack open your terminal, and you go up to edit and paste, and there's that, and you hit the button. And of course your famous password there, and it's going to download the Snap Store package, and you're done. It should be in the menu. So let's try Store. That didn't do it. Let's try Snap. No. Here's a kicker. On XFCE, for whatever reason, these desktop files for these snaps don't show up in a place that the Whisker menu, for whatever reason, checks on a routine basis. But it does the first time you start the panel. So I'm going to use a super secret panel command, XFCE panel --restart. That reloads the Whisker panel, and now the Snap Store is in the menu. I'm going to pull up the Snap Store just to show off. Now, the first time you run a snap, I've found, there's a little bit of a delay. It's a lot less than it used to be. but it's not quite as fast as a Flatpak starting up. It's definitely not as fast as as a regular on your file system package, but it isn't bad. So I think there's been a lot of improvement made there. And you can see they've got featured applications and everything in their store. And you can see all your installed apps. You can see I already had a couple of the runtimes installed. These are the things that would get installed the first time you install a package that needs them. Let's see here. I want to search for a package. Let's see. Let's go to entertainment so you can kind of browse here, see what we get. Like I said, the first time you access anything, it takes a second for things to load in the App Store. But they will eventually. There, okay, and you see all sorts of things. We got a Plex Media server, all sorts of things here. I'm obviously going to have to search, though, because I'm not seeing the app that I was looking for, which is a game called, I don't know how to say it, Xonotic? I don't know, I hear people talking about it. It's actually available as a Flatpak too, but I want to use it as a good example of something that you could install. Well, I guess I've already installed the Snap Store. Oh, here's the search button. So, there it is, Xonotic. Arena style shooter. So you got this, you hit the button, it installs, and you go to town. So, at any rate, that is how you set up and install snaps when you're running a systemd mode. It really is that easy to do, but you're gonna have to give up if you're one of you guys out there that runs MX because they don't want to use systemd. Then you're just not going to use snaps. You make your own choices. Let's see here. I'm going to restart the panel so it picks up Xonotic again. All right, Xonotic. And like I said, it takes a second to load up the first time, but load up it does. I actually played a little bit of this earlier. It was a lot of fun. And that is how you set up snaps on MX if you want to use it. For tips, tricks, how-tos, head over to mxlinux.org or annexlinux.com, although they won't help you with snaps because, Annex actually is 100% systemd free. You heard it here. This is Dolphin Oracle signing off. Have a great day.